When it comes to your investments, I do not want you to make any more emotional investment decisions. I want you to make financial investment decisions. This is something that we talk about a lot in Market Briefs and Briefs Media, my company, because unfortunately, it is very easy to get caught up in this whole game of, well, people are talking about this stock online. I want to buy the stock. I want to find the next Nvidia. I want to find the next Tesla. I want to find the next Amazon. And I'm going to throw my money into these companies and hopefully it's going to skyrocket after I buy it. Or I'm going to find this new cryptocurrency. I'm going to buy it and somebody's going to talk about it and it's going to make me a whole lot of money. Once you start doing that, what you'll realize is many times you'll put your money in and you don't get any money out. That's not what investing is. Investing is a little bit more strategic and a little bit less attractive. Investing is where you're going to put your money into, for most people, they're boring investments. They're boring things. For people that are weirdos like me, it's exciting, but for the average person, it's boring. But that boring is where the real money and wealth is built. And that boring also means that it's going to take time, not 6 months, but years, if not decades, to really see your money grow and make you a lot more money. And this is where you got to do a few things. Number one is you got to stop letting emotions get the best of you. Number two is you got to come up with a strategy. And then number three is you got to execute on that strategy. Now, one of the things that helps here is paying attention to what's happening, but not get caught up in the emotion. That means understanding what's happening and understand the trends of what's happening in the markets. Because your goal now as an investor is to find the next trend in the markets and then invest your money where money is going, not where money has been. Because when you invest your money where money has been, that means you're investing your money into the next Sears, into the next Bed Bath & Beyond. And that's not what you want. You want your money going into the next industry that's going to be able to make you money. Now, this is why we created Market Briefs as an easy way for you to stay up to date on what's happening in the financial news. It's free, it's fun to read. You can read it in less than 5 minutes every morning, and we cut out the emotion that we can understand what's happening in the markets, from the economy to housing to stocks to crypto to the global economy. You can read it in less than 5 minutes every morning, and it's free. So if you'd like to join Market Briefs, I got the link for you down in the description below. But this is where now you got to understand, you want to follow the trends, but then number two is you got to have a strategy. And what that means is, how are you going to actually go out and invest your money? Because most people assume now that when I have this money, I got to find the next hot stock. But for the average person, for 98% of America, according to me, you should not be trying to find the next hot stock. Instead, what you should be doing is just passively investing this money into the markets. Just passively invest this money into funds. Index funds, ETFs that will give you broad exposure to the market. Because if you're not interested in trying to keep up with the next hot stock, if you're not interested in listening to earnings calls, if you're not interested to reading financial statements, you shouldn't be trying to find the next great stock to invest in. Instead, it's a lot easier and less risk for you just to invest your money into funds. And so this is where I want you to think about the strategies, what it is that you want to invest in, and what your goals are. Because you can invest in stocks, you can invest in real estate, you can invest in your own business, you can invest for cash flow, you can invest for growth, and you can invest in retirement accounts, you can invest in non-retirement accounts. So there's a lot of things to do here. I don't have the time to do the whole financial analysis of the different ways that you can invest your money, but just understand you got to have a strategy, you got to take out the emotion, and then you got to execute on the strategy. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to continue your financial education journey, I have another video that I think you'll love. All you got to do is click that button right over there. And for those of you who want to stay up to date on the top finance and business news, you can join Market Briefs, my free financial newsletter, by clicking that button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.